In a major development ahead of Diwali celebrations, the Supreme Court of India has partially relaxed the blanket ban on firecrackers in the Delhi-NCR region, allowing the use and sale of certified green crackers under strict environmental and safety conditions. As per the top court's directive, only eco-friendly green crackers which produce reduced emissions will be permitted during specific time slots between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. on Diwali night and from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. for morning events such as the Chhath Puja. The court has made it clear that traditional high-emission firecrackers remain completely banned and that only licensed sellers can distribute green crackers carrying QR codes approved by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. The sale of firecrackers through e-commerce platforms remains strictly prohibited. The Apex Court emphasized that this relaxation aims to bring the balance of spirit of celebration with the need for environmental protection, especially given Delhi's severe air quality levels during the winter. Authorities in Delhi, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh have been instructed to strictly monitor compliance, conduct random sampling and take firm action against violators or those selling brand crackers. The decision marks a significant shift from previous year's blanket restrictions, signaling the court's intent to enable controlled, responsible celebration while maintaining public health and ecological safety in the National Capital Region. Meanwhile, my colleague Sambhav Sharma has spoken to Love Virwani, who appeared for the firecrackers industry in the SC. Let's take a look.
The Supreme Court has allowed the use and busting of the firecrackers during Diwali days. I am joined by Advocate Love Virwani, who is advocate and record and also appeared in this matter for the firecrackers industries. I'll try to understand this particular judgment of the Supreme Court where Love will explain the details as to what CJI B.R. Gawai said before Diwali.
So today morning the order was pronounced and the Honorable Supreme Court has passed an interim order allowing use and sale of green crackers in Delhi-NCR for this Diwali. What is important is that previously there was a complete ban on use, manufacture, storage and sale of crackers, any kind of crackers in Delhi-NCR. Today the Honorable Supreme Court... Storage, manufacture and sale.
And sale.
All four things, yes, okay. In Delhi-NCR.
Of any kind of firecrackers in Delhi-NCR. As per last year's order, the October 2024.
Correct. Which order was earlier affirmed on 3rd of April 2025. Thereafter, we moved applications before the Honorable Supreme Court, bringing to their notice the impact on livelihood that the complete ban order had caused, because there are at least 5 lakh families dependent on the firecracker industry in Delhi-NCR alone, and more than 20 lakh families in all India. So the Honorable Supreme Court has today taken a balanced approach. They have considered the right to health of the people residing in Delhi-NCR and their right to breathe in clean air. And at the same time, they have considered the right to livelihood of the people dependent on this industry.
The firecrackers industry.
Correct.
So it's a balanced approach taken by the Supreme Court.
Correct. It's a balanced approach because only green crackers which are approved by the NEERI Institute of Union of India, which is National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, only the crackers which are approved by NEERI are allowed. There are restrictions on timings and the dates also.
Okay, and when it comes to the dates, the busting of firecrackers allowed on 19th and 20th of...
Correct. On 19th and 20th, the use is allowed, and from 18th to 20th October, sale is allowed in Delhi-NCR.
Well, so what were your argument in the Supreme Court? How you convinced the top court of the country? Because, you know, it's every year's, in a way, a story we track from the Supreme Court. What arguments you made were different from what you made earlier?
Okay. So, I'll tell you 4 primary arguments. One, we presented the AQI data of almost all the cities in Delhi-NCR to show that a complete ban is unwarranted, because for most of the year, in most cities of Delhi-NCR, I'm not talking about Delhi, Gurgaon, Faridabad, but in other parts, because NCR itself consists of at least 25 cities. The AQI is in
moderate. CJI has also talked about.
Right. Because out of those 25 cities, 14 districts fall in Haryana, 8 fall in UP, 2 in Rajasthan, and even if we count Delhi as one, it brings the total to 25 districts. Now, in most of these districts, the annual average AQI is between moderate to satisfactory range. That is one. Second, firecrackers are not a major contributor to air pollution in Delhi NCR.
And which report you are quoting here?
So there are reports by IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, CPCB itself, and several departments of the state governments. And there's a report even by someone working with NASA, Mr. Hiren Jetwa, which focuses on other contributors of air pollution in Delhi NCR, which are vehicular pollution, construction activities, pollution from other industries. And therefore, based on all these studies, we had presented an argument that firecrackers are not a major source of air pollution in Delhi NCR, and it is facing the brunt on behalf of all the industries because it is an easy to target industry.
Thank you very much, Love, for speaking to Newsx and sharing things. I mean, in detail. Now, Supreme Court has allowed firecrackers usage on Diwali as a first step towards it, and will analyze and observe what will happen to the air pollution post Diwali. From Supreme Court, I am Sambhav Sharma for Newsx.